How you guys doing? I'm Joe. Nice to meet you.
Bernie.
Nice
Tyler.
To meet you. What's up, Tyler?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys. That's fine. Don't worry about it. You guys been locked out for long?
Pardon me?
Been locked out for long or no?
About an hour. We're working right here, so.
That's what are you guys doing?
Taking trees down today.
There you go.
That was quick. You're like a magician.
Yeah.
Way faster, I thought. At the beat.
Yeah, these don't take too long. There you go.
That's all right.
Keys.
Great.
All right, it's gonna be 80 bucks.
80. You
Yes,
take
sir.
a card?
Oh yeah.
Hey, you
Nice
did
meeting
a
you
great
guys.
job.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Of course. Take care, guys.
Yeah, you too.
We got your number now.
Anytime.